Ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, it gives me great pleasure to be once again part of the 7th International Conference on Apparel and Home Textiles being organized by OGTC. I'm an old friend of Mr. Mehra and many of the colleagues who are part of the organizing, and it always gives me great pleasure to be part of this whenever they remember. Of course, there have been occasions when I've also missed due to some other pressing commitments. So today we have a very interesting personality and a very interesting session before us, and I'm sure all of you will have lots and lots to take away from his presentation, which is themed or titled HR Leadership Without Title and Talent Management. What is this? How to be a leader without a title and without that individual egotistical flamboyance, and yet provide leadership and then manage all the various talents that are hidden, that are part of the spiritual depository of every individual. So Mr. Payam Shoghi again happens to be a very old friend, and I have known him for many, many years. And he holds a master's degree in education. He's an associate member of the Institution of Engineers India. He's widely traveled over 20 countries in his manifold capacities as continental advisor, as a trainer, as a resource person. And he's facilitated, this is quite amazing, 650 training workshops and delivered over 350 presentations and lectures for groups associated with the corporate sector and a number of international educational institutions in India and abroad. He is currently the principal of Riverdale International Residential School. I've had a good fortune of visiting the school. It's one of the very prestigious institutions, not only in Maharashtra, but gradually making an impact. And especially I was very struck by its music department, the classical music, Western. The friend who is teaching is a very renowned musician there. And he was prior to this the director training innovations for trainers and consultations, a firm based in Pune. Then he was director for advancement of science and director department of rural community development. So Mr. Shoghi brings as part of his lifelong learning and experience a great wealth of what it means to be a leader and how to harness the talents that are in every individual human being. So I'm very sure that this will be an extremely interesting and rewarding experience for us to benefit from his presentation. And Mr. Shoghi, welcome to Delhi, and I look forward to your presentation. Once again, enjoy this morning workshop, ladies and gentlemen.